You tremble like you've seen a ghost, and I gave a hand. You latched onto the things I need the most to say. Where have you been? You wasted our sweetness to run and hide. I wonder why. Ooh, 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 ooh. I remind you of the days you poured your heart into, but you never tried. I've fallen from grace, took a blow to my face. I've loved and I've lost. I've loved and I've lost. Explosions on the day you wake up, needing somebody and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. It will never be the same. You left my soul bleeding in the dark, so you could be king. Ha ha ha. The rules you set are still untold to me, and I lost my faith in everything. But the mountains will cope, your intentions were gold, and the mountains will shake, and you should know I can still make explosions on the day you wake up, needing somebody and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but I will never be the same. And as the floods move in and my body starts to sink, I was the last thing on your mind, and you better rethink. 'Cause it's simple, darling, I gave you warning. Now everything you want is falling from the sky in pieces. So watch them fall with you in slow motion. I pray that you'll find peace of mind. I love you all another time. I love you another time. Explosions on the day you wake up, needing somebody and you've learned it's okay to be afraid, but it will never be the same. Okay, thanks for watching, and please post comments. Thanks.